Look at this one. Okay, not here. It could be here on the lens. Okay, hi guys, hi everyone. So today I'm going to introduce you to my husband Drew. This is Drew Martin, and we bought an iPad because why did we buy an iPad?
Mine cracked.
Yeah, so instead of going to the Apple store to fix it, we decided to buy a new one. So this one is a iPad 6th generation, Wi-Fi only, and it's 128 gig, and we will do the unboxing of this one. Okay guys, so my husband will do it. Oh, by the way, it costs.
They don't even know how much it costs.
Why? Of course, they need it. For me, I'm going to say it to you guys. You can buy this. We bought that one in Target and it costs very much. Then it's $457.29, guys. But it's all worth it. And we also purchased an Apple Care, so it almost cost $60 for that, and it will last for 2 years. So there you go. Doing the unboxing now. This is the first time. Oh, and then this is it. Okay, this is the iPad 6th Gen, and we choose the space gray one. Okay, handle this one. And then on the box it has a, what do you call this? Oh, okay, there's an instruction. And then the chargers, not the button, the charger rather, the charger, and then the wire. So that's the only three here inside the box. Okay, so there's a charger and a adapter.
That's pretty much it. You're gonna have to charge it.
So what is how many inches this one?
9.7.
Okay, this is 9.7. I'm sorry guys because my husband is camera shy. My mother-in-law is here too. He is a camera shy, so you know, I have a very, I love on the camera, even though I feel sometimes I'm crazy. So I'm going to open this one. Okay, there you go. I'm opening now this one. What can you say about having a new iPad?
I'm excited to start using it.
Oh. Okay, so there you go. It's saying hello. Hello. But there you go. Hello. Hello. So there are, you can see some of the different languages here. Once you open this one, bonjour, then Chinese characters, I don't know, Korean characters, and then English one. Then press home to open. So we will just press home to open, and then we will just speak the English because they are English. And then United States, quick start. So if you have an iPhone or iPad running iOS 11, bring it nearby to sign in automatically. If you want, you can also set up this iPad manually. So we will just set up this manually. Okay, connect Wi-Fi. Oh, unfortunately we will go downstairs first to have our Wi-Fi passcode.
No,
Oh, you have it? Okay, my husband has a Wi-Fi passcode now. Are you shy?
I guess so.
He's shy, guys. American people are shy, except me. Okay, so we are going to connect first it into the Wi-Fi. And what else?
connect to iTunes?
Oh, and then we will connect it to the iTunes. If you have an iTunes, then connect it, and then of course,
Sounds
for
like a
you
few
to
minutes.
do it, you should have a Wi-Fi in your house. So this is only a Wi-Fi, not a cellular Wi-Fi. We just choose the Wi-Fi only because my husband doesn't. You're not fond of having a cellular, right?
I don't need a giant cell phone.
Yeah, it's very hard to do like this. Hello. So it's better for you just a Wi-Fi. Okay, use your fingerprint. Yeah. Okay, then he will use his fingerprint. So he is the only one who can use this. I mean, if you need something, a password or passcode, he's the only one who can do this. So this is the good side of having an Apple. You are the only one who can open some of your files. There you go. Then lift your finger, place again. I am telling to my husband because there is something here, a clicking. You should not click the home button. You will just place your finger and then lift. There's an instruction, just follow it. Okay, place your finger. You will just place his finger again. My honey bear is not following the directions clearly. That's why I'm. Okay, there you go. Complete. It seems like I am the. Okay, he will just create a passcode. Okay.
Well, I haven't done any
So
of that
in
stuff.
this one, you can just restore. If you had an iPad, you can just restore all of your informations. From your other iPad going in your new iPad. So I hope you get that one. And right now he is also doing his his previous Apple ID. So every time, so once he's done with this, it will all transfer here. Okay guys, so this is the iPad now. So once you went to your home, so this will be all your applications. There is a FaceTime, calendar, photos, camera, contacts, clock, maps, home, TV, reminders, notes, news, iTunes Store, App Store, iBooks, and setting. So you will just download everything. And actually to my husband, because he just connected his Apple ID here, everything is just downloaded automatically. So I think I will just download the YouTube here. I think the YouTube is not here. So where is the Apple Store? Has been updated. So I need to update everything here. So you need to update everything here so you can download everything. So while waiting for the download one. So we have the Facebook, there you go, Messenger, Netflix. We love to watch Netflix, and we are watching right now the Umbrella Academy. So we are on the episode 2 already, so we will watch it also today. Okay guys, so that's it. This is the iPad 6th gen. This is the space gray one. Nice. Then we will just buy a protector for this one in Amazon. So that's all guys. Thank you for watching this vlog with my husband. We will just finish this one and that's all, and then we can just use it right away. This is the good sign of having that Apple. So I think guys, we are just going to finish this, and that's all in this box. Only the charger and then the okay guys, thank you for watching to us, and you can just purchase this in the Target or any Apple stores. Okay, goodbye again. Thank you for watching, and see you on our next video.
Salamat po.
Salamat. Bye. Oh my gosh. It's fine, hon. Okay guys, because I dropped you.